What up, Social Cam? It's your boy MSB. Uh, Mixtape coming out in 2 weeks. Wanted to give y'all a verse from this song called My Vent. So check this out. Sliding backwards like doing the moonwalk. But it's not a cool move, more like a cruel taunt. Is it because of the deception in the way I talk? Or is it the misdirection in the way that I walk? My crooked right, it turns into a broken circle. Is that why I'm constantly falling like Steve Urkel? So focused on not having my wins low, chasing after the law or searching for my centerfold. Didn't realize that I was in a sinful hold, ignoring the precious jewel, blinded by fool's gold. Supposed to spread light, instead providing shade. Either black or white, still messing with them grays. Lukewarm water, it has no place. So I gotta choose whether to close my eyes or seek your face. So grateful for your amazing grace. You put my feet on the ground, I was lost in space. Everything is moving so fast like Sonic. Everybody wants fruit and they drink like Sonic. Just trying to pick my feet up and figure out where to go. Though they gas me up, I'm still feeling low. Said I would live in the light and shine on the dark, but sometimes it's hard to tell the two apart. How do you shine light if you're not sure your bulb is working? How do you tell the difference between being busy and working? Can't go forward if I can't read a compass. Should be giving you the glory, too busy trying to be illustrious, and that is preposterous. But Lord, without you, I am nothing but a fungus. I need you in order to complete my circumference. You offer your bread and let me sip from your wine. You hung from that wood as time I picked up my pine. Time I rearranged my thoughts. Don't want you to jump over me like playing checkers in the park. I'd rather you take the wheel so I don't drive us apart. Never failed me from the end to the start. I'll be Lois, please be my Clark. Cause you keep me on target just like a dart. Cause you let me ride on your back like the fin of a shark. I wanna avoid the flood and ride on your ark. Help me to live different, cause this evil I'm sensing you're not feeling it. Time I flipped it just like a coin. You're the head, lead me where I'm going, the reason that I am flowing. So forget the green and let this be the mowing. I'm broke down in need of some towing. Clean my heart and fill it with your loving. Fill it with your loving. Yeah, fill it with your loving. Yeah, fill it with your loving.